Hello and welcome to my small tutorial on how to do three types of chart, which is Gantt chart, Pareto chart, and control chart. My name is Chin and my number metric is PB221100607. So we started off with Gantt chart. Gantt chart usually we use the date and the duration of time to finish so we can see the progress on how they perform. So the first thing we have to do is going to insert and then we select the bar chart 2D or 3D. It's up to you, but I like to use the 2D one. Then we start select data. Data we have to select is first one is the date, which is the star. Okay, every month, every of the date that we do the work. And then the second one is days to complete. Wait, this one days to complete. Then the second one is right. As you can see here, we almost a bit look like Gantt chart, but we have to add the axis label yet to the task order. Alright, as you can see here, it started looking a bit like, but still far to see. So we go to format axis here, reverse the order so we can see the dates. Okay. Alright. The second thing we have to do is we have to remove this blue line so we just see the orange color. So we go here and then we choose the white one. Okay, you see it goes faded away already white. And then the third thing we have to do is we can see it's like too far away from it. How can we change it is we first thing we see first January. What is the value of first January? The way we can see it is by choosing here custom. We choose back to number. This is the number for 1st January. Okay, we choose the number, go to format axis here. The minimum we change the same as the 1st January. So it start from the earliest one to slowly progressing to the latest one. Okay, from here we can see it's already formed a Gantt chart. But if you guys wanna make it better, you can change chart type. I mean, if you want to make it better, you can choose the chart type over here. See, it looks way more better. It gives more, and you change the title to Gantt chart. So the second chart that I wanna show you guys is the Pareto chart. So the Pareto chart is usually use the total percentage and cumulative percentage. How can we find the total percentage? Is this? The first one is the first data divided by all data. So the first one just like this equal first data divided to sum, which means all of this, close bracket. Then you get the first data, just pull it through, you can get all of the data. Wait, don't forget to anchor the first one. And you just pull it through and get all the data. It's exactly same way as whatever I count before. And the second data, you just how to make it is cumulative, which is this. The first one is 23. Then the second one is you adding the first data with the second first one, which is equal this plus this equal to the second one, and you just pull it through, can get the all data. So after you get the data, what I have to do is go to insert, select your data, which is the total sales and cumulative percentage only. Go to this one first. You can see there's no line, which you have to change chart type. Go to the combo, select the line, and then you click this secondary data axis. You get the line here. So that's it. You can change. Wait. So after you find it, I accidentally deleted. Sorry. Wait, yeah. Go back. We do it again. Once again. Then change chart type, combo. Just click this, and then you get the chart. Just change the title to Pareto chart, so you can get the chart here from the data. Alright, that's the third. Alright, the third kind. Alright, the third kind of chart that I'm going to show you guys is the contour chart. The contour chart is basically a line of chart from run chart. You add a bit of data, and then you get the control chart. So it start from sales is my raw data. We have to find the median. How can we find the median is by e e equal the median. Then we select the data, close the bracket, and then we get the median, which is the mid. After we find the median, we have to find the range. Range is we have to find the average first, and then we average minus the sales. Okay, average. How can we find average is it equal the average of these, and close the bracket. Then you get, wait, this is the average range, but you can see it already. So we find the range already. We find the range first, which is average. This is the range average, but okay, this is the average for the cells, which is 345 is the average. And then the second thing, which I already show you, the average of range. So how can we get this data is by this average minus by cells. So every average will minus to cells, average will minus to the cells, and then you get this data. Alright, the next thing is upper control limit. Upper control limit is uh this one. So a upper control limit using the average of range, which we just find it 64.4, started by this average. So we start So the first thing we have to find is the upper control limit, which is its average equal average plus 2.66 power of times the range of average of range. So you can get this, and then the lower control limit is similar. You just change the positive to a negative, then you can get the lower. Okay, after you can get this numbers, and then you start going to select the data, which is data that you need is cells, upper control range, upper control, lower control, and this the median. You don't need to use it. Then you go to insert chart, line chart. Alright, so after you find this datas, you have to do the chart, which is we only select cells median, upper control, and lower control. Alright, so we select the data first. Okay, go to insert and to the line chart. Wait, so, alright, you select the data, go to the chart, and then you can see it forms upper limit, lower limit, and the average. Then you can see how much the sales is increase and decrease over time. So you change the chart title to control chart, then done. I think that's all from me for today. Then thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.